I'm Gunnar and I'll be demoing Accord for you today. So Accord is a decision management platform that helps you document, collaborate on, make technical, product and business decisions. So let's get started by signing in. So what we have here is the dashboard. You see that we have the default workspace set and we already have some recent ADRs that we've been working on, and our ADRs are architectural decision records. And that's the first thing that we are going to be helping you document with Accord. So if we take a look here, so we navigate to the ADR section. Here we have some already drafted, accepted ADRs, and let's create a new one using our assistant. So what you need to give the assistant is title and context. Let's say you want to use protocol buffers and gRPC. We'll give it context. The more context, the better, so it can help make your decisions for you. So we can also understand the rationale behind the problem that you might need to make a decision for. So here we have some problems, some objectives. I'm just copying over something I've already prepared. So we have some constraints, of course. Maybe some alternatives, team preferences. Of course, there are always going to be some of those. Concerns. Yeah, there are a few. What are the stakeholders? We may need to make sure that we are serving those properly. Then we have the impact. What's the impact here? All right. Here's some of the impact for our decision. Now what we do here is to pass this information to our AI assistant, and they gather context and analyze the problem, and then they evaluate the consequences with decision, help you clarify it as much as you can. They explore the alternatives. So output of this process is that we have a ready draft ADR that the team can collaborate on, modify, comment, and finally propose for review by the team. So here we have a review of the draft that the AI generated. We're pretty happy with this. So we click next. So we have the final review. Okay, we can read it here. Okay, this is the decision, some benefits here, consequences, some alternatives. But here we create the draft ADR. So when you create an ADR, it starts in a draft state. So here is the ADR in the draft state, and we are marked as the driver. We can add other team members as the drivers to collaborate on this, but everyone on the team can comment on this and ask for adjustments or ask questions to clarify some of this thing here. So let's make a comment on something here. So let's add a comment here. Let's ask you to clarify. Please clarify this. So this will notify any drivers that are involved that there's a comment, and the driver or author of this thing could either respond to the comment, or we could have AI resolve it for us. So what we do here is that we have, like, based on a comment thread, we have a suggestion on like how we can clarify this thing, and then we can review the changes. What was it before? And yeah, this is pretty much clearer now. And we apply the changes, and this applies it in line. So now we have a draft. Okay, we're pretty happy with this. So we want to propose this to the team. So now the draft becomes a proposed ADR, which the team can cover. So in the ADRs, you might want to like sync on which ADRs are proposed. The team can comment and review and finally approve it. So now that it has been proposed, we can either accept it or we can reject it. So let's accept it. and now it's in the accepted state. So when we navigate to here, we have 2 in the accepted state and 1 in the draft state. We also have the basic functionalities of managing the organization. You can create a new workspace here, but most teams can just use the default workspace. So the key benefit that this brings is that we have a single location for all the product, technical, and business decisions. Starting out, we'll be supporting technical decisions to help team document, collaborate, and make decisions as a team. And this is so important because there's the source of truth, that what was decided in what context and what was the rationale behind every decision made. Another thing is that this will be super beneficial to when you hire a new engineer. They just take a look at the ADRs and realize, oh yeah, they went this direction because of this. So no more people just looking at the code trying to scratch their head and realize, why did they choose this technical implementation? Because it's all documented.